Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the next answer copy of our Aim for Agriculture series. So as you all know that we are having Aim for Agriculture series, Aim for Agriculture series in which we are having daily answer writing practice and weekly full tests. So today we are going to discuss the answer copy of day 51. We have already discussed the answer copies till day 50. So let's start to discuss the answer copy of day 51, and by analyzing these types of answer copy, by reading these types of answer copy, it can be very beneficial to you because you can get to learn how to introduce, how to conclude, how to structure your answers, how to write certain examples, how to uh, how to make certain diagrams, how to make certain flowcharts whenever required. So all these things can be very helpful to you. So let's start. So the first question is, discuss the post-harvest management of black pepper and also enlist some of the value addition products of black pepper. So how can we manage what are the post-harvest management practices of black pepper, and what are the value added products of black pepper, so that we will be discussed. We all know that generally in the southern states, especially in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, you will see a good amount of production of black pepper. Okay, so we will see, and it is one of the most important spices, especially used in Indian conditions, used in Indian cuisine, and it is making a lot of name and for its spice properties all over the world, world cuisine. So let's start. So the first of all, the post harvest management of black pepper. So first of all, we will harvest properly. Okay, when they turn green to red, we will then harvest them. Actually, okay, and generally in southern states, the time when it is harvested is from November to February. Then we will dry them. They are generally sun dried, and they after sun dry they will turn into black. Okay, and generally traditional sun drying methods is used by the local communities which harvest black pepper. Then we will clean it, then we will grade it. So cleaning and grading is another essential process. Okay, then storage, we will properly store it, and we will try to keep the moisture content in the black pepper at a certain level, that is 10 to 12% of moisture, so that it doesn't is susceptible to fungal infections or other kind of infections, and it is stored for longer periods. Processing should be done. Okay, many times through processing, powder is made from black pepper. You can see the black pepper powder which is used as a spice. Okay, while is also processed, which is taken out from the black pepper, which has various medicinal properties also. Okay, now what are the value added products which could be made by black pepper? First of all, yes, we can make black pepper powder as a spice. Secondly, pepper oil can be used in flavoring agent, cosmetic agents. It has some medicinal properties also. Pepper oleoresin is used in food industry. Okay, white pepper has high export demands. So these are some of the important value added products which we can made from black pepper. Moving to the next question. The next question is, discuss the principle and methods of soil sampling and processing. So first we will discuss the principles of soil sampling, as I will be discussing only the important points. So if you want to read the answers in detail, you can simply pause the video and read it, or you can join the Telegram channel. In some days I will share all the answer copies there, so you can download the PDFs from there and also read them. That could be very helpful to you. So let's start. First of all, the principles of soil sampling. The first principle is that representativeness of sample in the entire field should be there, and we should avoid spots near trees. Okay, so these are some of the principles which we can do. Representativeness of entire field is that we should take samples from different areas of the field. Okay, because if we have a long stretch of field, the conditions of soil in different areas could be different, so we should try to take, suppose this is the field, so we'll try to take sample from every corner, from the middle, so that we can get a broader knowledge of the soil of our field. Timing should be before fertilizer application and irrigation, because after we applied the fertilizer and then we are taking samples, then the proper nutrient availability cannot be measured. Okay, depth should be proper, generally 15 to 30 centimeters depth should be there, that should be taken for sample. proper sampling tools should be used, soil mixing should be, sample mixing should be properly done. Now, what are the methods? First of all, we can do random sampling, that is randomly take samples from any part of the field. Okay. Secondly, we can do grid sampling, that is, suppose this is the field. We will divide the field into certain grids and we will take samples from those grids. Zonal sampling can be done, that is, dividing the field in various zones and sample could be taken from each zone. Okay. So that can be done. For soil processing, air drying could be done, sieving can be done, storage can be done. So these are some of the process of soil sampling, processing, and methods of soil sampling. So I hope you understand all the points. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is, what is private extension? Private what is private extension, and we have to discuss the need for private extension in Indian scenario, and we have to also discuss some of the agencies involved in private extension. Okay. So when extension is that, suppose we have developed a technology and we have to see that the farmers use that technology, to train that farmers about that technology, to transfer that technologies to the farmers or any kind of new practices to the farmers. Proper extension is done. And when this thing is done by some private players, either it could be some global leaders, suppose for example Mahindra has its extension services, Tata has its extension services. So these private players will come into act for this extension, then they are known as, then these things are known as private extension. Why we need private extension? Because especially in various public extensions we have inefficiencies, we have lack of manpower, there are lack of infrastructure is there, insufficient funding is there, insufficient staffs are there, so that adapts the problem in public scenario, public extension scenario. Secondly, growing demand. The demand of extension has variously grown in the last few years. The farmers are getting aware of extension. They want new kind of technologies, new kind of practices that could be extended to them. And for example, you can see ITC, Mahindra, these companies are very much involved in extension now. Emerging technologies, because private players are more connected towards the emerging technologies and they will be able to provide those technologies to the farmers. Sustainable technologies could be provided. Customized solutions can be provided by private players. They can help in improving market linkages, which reduce dependence on middlemen. Contract farming is increasing. That can contract farming can have a collaboration with private extensions. All these things are very helpful. Now, what are some of the agencies involved in private extension? Some of the agencies are ITCs, E-Chopal, Mahindra Samriddhi, BAF is one of the agency, Digital Green in another agency. So, so there are some other companies also, the input companies such as Rallis India, Monasato. Monasato was highly involved in BT Cotton. Okay, in extension of BT Cotton. There are various agri-tech startups which have started private extensions such as AgroStar. We have Dehat, especially operating in Bihar. So these are some of the various private companies, private extension players. So I hope you understand this. So this was all for today's answer, very well written answers, and I hope you have paused the video at several intervals and read the answers, and that could be very helpful to you. So if you like it, please press the like button, please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you on regular basis, and if you like, if you share, if you subscribe, that motivates us to make more such videos for you guys regularly. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.